black canvas, gessoed, dried, liquid clear, and here we go. On the board I've got some purple, some phthalo green, some black, some sap green, some ochre, some yellow, and some white. Might add some more on there. Right, let's go in with some phthalo green to start with. We're going to put this all over here. This is some purple. There you go, so green, purple, and that's basically it. Just give a little blend between them two. I'm going to make a nice little sky in with some white with a fan brush. I'm going to use the fan brush, you can use any brush. Just do some twists and turns. I want this bright. I'm going to literally blend all this out, so I'm not too fussed really what this looks like. We'll do some little things here and there. Let's blend this off, make a nice sky. There we go. I want this quite bright down the bottom. And just a little bit darker over there, very lightly. Makes an awesome looking sky. So I'm going to go in with some white here, load up the fan brush. I'm going to use a fan brush. It's quite thick paint. And we're going to put a moon in around here, I think. So I'm just going to push on there and just turn it and hopefully come up with some kind of moon. It will be a bit greeny, that kind of thing. Something like that. So I'm going to go into the black here and just tap on the colour that's already there, like a greyish colour. And see if we can put some on. This should be a little bit thinner, so. We're going to thin down the black, and we're just going to put some stuff here. Let's have some stuff here. Just some little twigs and stuff sticking up. Straight in with the script brush tonight. No mucking about. All sorts of stuff going on there. We can have something over here too. We can come and put some leaves and stuff on these. Do a few little leaves with the script brush. And to keep this quite sort of dark. Go into some neat black and we put some little leaves on these things that I've just made. There's no branches there, but you can still put stuff on, which is quite cool. So we can just put some stuff on, create little things. Okay, we'll do some little things here, little plants and stuff that we can see. Sap green. And I'm just going to literally plaster this on around here. Around this area. A little bit of this yellow, hopefully I can make a lighter green. Just here. So I've got a lighter green. So we're just putting some little things here that you might see in front. I'm using a fan brush here and I might try and create a little bit of grassy area just coming through here. I've got some white on here, should be enough. So we're going to come across here, just make a little bit of water. Should pick up the colour of the sky. And that's really all that we need to see of this water. And with this white paint, and I'm gonna do a nice little waterfall. Okay, just let this water build up here, and then it comes over the edge. I'm gonna do this kind of water today. I'm gonna do this, should start going purple here. I'm gonna do more water than what I need, and then I can just bring the lamp back onto it. Just put across there, and that gives you a nice sort of watery feel there. A little bit of mist. And some splashes on this one. I'm gonna just blend this out here, just by circling the brush. And that'll give us a nice bit of mist there. And then we can have a few little splashes and stuff. Just lift up with a fan brush. There we go. I think I'm gonna do bushes here. Browny black. That's some rock that lives here. Another rock here, just coming down. Okay, same colour. Let's get that browny black down here. Onto this whitey colour. Cut across here with a knife. Little palette knife. And we're just going to lay let's go in with some green colour. We'll just add a few little things over here. Maybe just going in there. A few little grassy stuff. I'm going to put little grassy areas around here. Just here. Around here we'll add a little bit of darkness. Down here, just a little waterline. Just get a little bit in here. There we go. Take the 1-inch brush and we'll just glide them out. Going over here. Sheens going on. Come and tap some colour in here and there. I don't want to lose all the sky, but I want something here. Spiky. Just something here, like a palm tree thing. Plenty of paint. Okay, we're going to use the script brush, so I'm going to do some little spiky things. Might put some highlights on this, I don't know. Bring some of this through, lighten up that. I'm gonna do like a spiky, lots of spikes. A little bit of dark paint here. We'll do one here. Just a little one. Doesn't have to be too big. We'll put a little rock there, press it in. Just pull some of that down because we're going to use that as reflection in the water. A little bit of highlight. Just a little bit of highlight there. We'll put a little bit of highlight in the water too, just before we pull that down. I don't want to disturb the water too much because it looks kind of nice. Just grab that, put it down. And then just go across again, like that, and then we'll do a nice little waterline around here. That's creating another little ripple there. Thank you. Here's the signature.